Welcome back. You love Aave, I love Aave, we all love Aave. So in this video, I will give you a price prediction. We will analyze the chart so you know where to buy low and sell high. This is the art of technical analysis. All right, so here I am on the chart, and what you want to see is the big picture. That's why I always look at the daily chart, because it gives us hints of where the price could potentially go to. So as you can see that the price has accumulated, it has made it curved up, and it has corrected, it has dipped. So now what? All right. So in crypto, the game is always about buying low and selling high. Look at this box right here. You see this price area where the price just went sideways for 55 days. And what usually happens is that all the whales, all the early adopters, they bought in here. And once price broke out of this area, it has spiked 477%. Right? Buy low, sell high. So the question is, where is the next area where you can buy low and sell high? And I will answer that. Next up, we want to look at the 4-hour chart. We want to zoom in to see more details, because the price, the candles, gives us clues on where we should buy and sell. So zoom in the 4-hour, and we want to look for a chart pattern. Why is that? Because it helps us define where to buy low and sell high. So this is what I see. I see a downward channel. When you're drawing a channel, a line, you want to have at least 2 touches, right? So let's see. 1 touch here, 1 touch here, good. 2 touches, at least, good. 1 touch here, 1 touch here, 1 touch here, very good. So as you can see, price has been going down. It has been going down in this channel. Notice how the price respects this channel and it stays within the boundary. So what do we want to do? All right, we want to buy low and sell high. So you can see here, this area on this channel, if you were patient enough to wait for it to hit this downward support, you would have made 35% on your money if you waited until hit resistance. So say you trade $5,000, you would have made 35%, etc., etc. So what do I expect to see? The price, there's downward pressure. People sell, they're willing to sell at a lower high, and they're buying at a lower low. So price could potentially go like this until it decides what it wants to do. And what does the price want to do? You cannot control the market. That's why you have to watch the market so it can show you its hand, to show you what it wants to do. So as you know, price does not go up, does not go in this channel forever. It will eventually break out, or if it's bullish, bearish, then it breaks down. So you can't control the market, but you can control your risk, and you can control where you want to enter and exit. So here's what I want to see on both cases. If the price does decide to break out, what I want to see is a strong candle that shoots out and it goes back down. This is where I buy. Why is that? Let me explain. The price does, you want it to break out strongly because it does have a fake out. What do we mean by that? The price, you see this right here? You see this candle? The price tried to break out, but it got slammed down. This is called a fake out. Again, right here. If you look at the daily chart, you see a long upper wick. A long upper wick. This is where it traps people who bought high, a bull trap. That's why we always zoom in on a 4-hour to see the bigger picture. Now, notice this right here. You see how the price On the daily chart, it's just a long wick, but on 4-hour chart, you can see that price tried to go up, but it got smashed down. All right. So please, please, please do not just buy because it's going to the top, because you don't want to buy the high of the channel. You want the price to break out strongly. Like it breaks out and goes down like this. I'll show you. Something like this. All right. So you notice how price breaks out cleanly out of this resistance. This is a meaningful, this is very meaningful because it tells you, the market tells you that it wants to break out. Anyways, okay, so price, if the price does break out, then you can enter. So it goes like this, it goes down. And what you want to do always, always, always is practice risk management, which is a fancy way of saying how much you're willing to win and how much you're willing to lose. And that's how you make money in the long run, if you win more than you lose. So if risk management sounds complicated, it's not. Let me explain. So you want to, if you're entering here, if it spikes out and it retraces, and the market has shown you that's bullish, then you can enter here. And if it goes up, say you're in a $5,000 trade, it goes up like this, then you would have made 35% of your $5,000. But if it goes down like this, back to the channel, meaning it's bearish, then you'll be down 15% of your $5,000. You see how you win 35%, but you lose 15%? That's how you make money in the long run. Buy. All right. So another possibility that I see that's more likely that it's going to break down like this. A possibility. And if it does break down to the trend line, then I would long the trend line. So if it breaks down, if it goes down like this, then you can always enter on the trend line. Like this. You enter on the trend line and you can target the channel. And then you put your stop loss. So if you're in a $5,000 trade, if price goes up back to the resistance, the upper channel, then you're up 65%. But if it breaks down of the channel, then you lose 19%. So you lose 19% of your $5,000 and you win 65% of your $5,000. You see how you use have mathematical edge like a professional? Right. Okay. So please wait for a market to show you what it wants to do. You want to enter at the area of value. If it goes up, then you want to enter. If it goes down, then you can enter. You want to enter at the area of value. You cannot just enter randomly, like right here and hope, or enter right here and hope. Please, please, please enter at the area of value, buy low, and manage your risk. Now, I have another really good news for you. Grayscale is a big investment company where you can buy quote unquote Bitcoin shares on the stock market. Grayscale Investment, they're considering buying Aave, and that's amazing because when Grayscale buys, they buy millions dollars worth of alts, and they have to hold it, and they could potentially buy Aave. That's pretty good, bullish news to me. All right, so I do suspect that we're still in a bull market despite the bull market correcting. Please watch this video. Bitcoin will crash, but when? Backed by data. In summary, it's possible that the end of the bull market is around summer to fall 2021. So please watch this informative video if you have the time. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Here, if you have enjoyed my video, then I'm sure you enjoy my premium Telegram group, where I'll share with you a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins at 10x, and my trading course. If you trade and when you enter and you feel nervous and doubt and uncertainty, you have to learn how to trade, because that removes the doubt and uncertainty and gives you confidence in entering the trade. All right, so it's $30 to start. Feel free to message me on Telegram to start. All right, friends. So as always, please use risk management, and please enter at the area of value instead of just buying randomly and hoping. All right. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. I will try to make a new Aave price update once a week if I get enough views, if there's enough demand. All right. Thank you. See you in the next video.